place options trades, and manage orders and positions. To trade options effectively, you should understand your trading tools. TradeStation's Option Station Pro has many advanced tools to help you analyze, place, and manage your options positions. You can select options to trade directly from the Options tab. It provides a great view of all options available for all expirations in the underlying security. Clicking the bid or ask prices will make the trade bar pop up from the bottom and populate the option details and the order ticket to place a trade. Selecting Analyze Trade in the Click to drop-down allows you to click the bid or ask to send the option details to the Analysis tab, where you can review a risk-reward graph before placing a trade. We'll leave it on Trade for this video. Suppose we are looking for a bullish options position in the stock MSFT. We can choose to buy an at-the-money call option by clicking on the ask price of the option. Notice that when we click on the ask price to create the long position, the selected option is highlighted in blue. You will also see a green and red vertical line appear next to the strike prices. The green shows where the underlying security price needs to move for that option to profit. This includes the premium paid to buy the option. The red shows where a loss would occur. The point where the red and green meet corresponds to the break-even price of your option for the underlying security. If we were to sell a put by clicking on the bid price, the option will be highlighted in red. The vertical green and red lines will still appear next to the strike prices to show profit, loss, and break-even. This information could be helpful in assessing whether the position has the potential to become profitable in time before the position would need to be exited or rolled. If your chart has a support or resistance level, you could also use this information to determine the maximum potential profit and the risk versus reward ratio. The order ticket will populate at the bottom of the window, and the limit price selected will be the mid price. You may click Natural to select current bid or ask prices or adjust the price in the limit price box before submitting the order. The trade bar allows you to adjust all aspects of your order before placing it. You may change the order type, duration, quantity, or any of the characteristics of the option, including expiration date and strike. We have selected a short put position. If we cannot trade naked options or simply want to lower and limit our risk in this bullish position, we can add a long put option to create a bull put vertical credit spread. There are a couple of ways to create a multi-leg option position. First, you can create the position leg by leg, or you can change the spread drop-down menu to the type of spread you want. Since we currently have a short put option order, we can create the vertical spread by legging in. We will hold the Control key and click on the ask price for the option we want to buy. The long option will be highlighted in blue and added to the order ticket. The vertical green and red bars will appear and show the P&L of the spread based on the premium paid or received. The options order will be shown as a vertical spread on the trade bar at the bottom of the screen. You can build a more complex iron condor position by adding a bear call spread to the existing bull put spread. This is added by holding the Control key, selecting the bid price for an out-of-the-money call, and then clicking an ask price for a deeper OTM call. The additional options would be grouped together, and the resulting order would be shown as an iron condor. By viewing the green and red vertical bars on the iron condor, you can see that this option's position profits from the expiration of the options while the price stays within a narrow range. If the stock price's action changes or the option pricing adjusts, you may want to change one of the legs before the order is submitted. You can drag the highlight to the correct option. This gives you the flexibility to create custom multi-leg option strategies. Let's widen the iron condor by adjusting the long legs further out of the money. This will lower the cost of the legs and increase the potential profit of the position. Of course, that also increases the margin required and the potential loss. We can now fill our order and open the iron condor. Once the position is open, you can view the position details on the Manage tab in the Positions panel. At the top of this page, you can view all your orders. They can be filtered based on their status, such as queued, filled, or canceled. If you want to modify or cancel a queued order, you can right-click on it and edit it on the trade bar at the bottom of the screen. You can manage open positions as they are grouped by symbols on this page. Clicking the arrow on the left of the symbol will expand individual positions under each symbol. Seeing all your open equities positions in one window could be helpful if the market trend shifts and you need to protect or exit multiple positions. Should you want to add a stop loss to an open position, go to the Position panel. You can create a stop market order by right-clicking on any open position and choosing Close this position. Since we have a multi-leg spread, we must combine the legs into an iron condor. You can drag and drop each leg until they show as one iron condor. Now we can add a stop loss to the position. Right-clicking on the position will let us choose to close this position. You can change the order type to a stop market and set the stop price to the premium level where you want to exit. We can place our stop so that we exit if the price moves 50 cents against us. You can group individual positions here too. Suppose you entered a long call position and then a separate short call position on the same underlying security. You can drag and drop one of the options on the other to merge them to create a spread. If one leg of a spread is being threatened, you can separate the legs to manage them. Right-clicking on the leg you want to separate, go to Leg to see the menu, where you can choose to split, roll, or close a leg. Don't worry if you make a mistake in splitting, you can merge the legs again with drag and drop. If you have an open stock position, it will also appear in this window. If you want to add options to that position, you can quickly view the option chain by right-clicking on the stock position. The chain will load on the Options tab. We can create a covered call position now by selling an out-of-the-money call. Once the short call has been opened, we can merge that position with a long stock position to create a covered call position. OptionStation Pro has many robust tools to assist you in your options trading. From clear and intuitive options chains to highly flexible and customizable order entry and position management tools, OptionStation Pro is designed to suit any trading style. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and happy trading!